In this lesson, we'll learn the short and sweet on how to create a JavaScript rollover in Dreamweaver using the Behaviors panel. What I'm going to do is I'll just quickly switch over to Photoshop here and show you. You need a little prep work, basically an image to replace the current image. And I have two layers of this. One of this cookie in its normal color and one of it colorized with this red and pink tone. So I've already exported both of these images as JPEGs. One's called Cookie 1 and the red one is called Cookie 2. So those are already placed in my images folder. So let's go back to Dreamweaver. And again, I can show you in here. There's Cookie 1 and Cookie 2. Alright, so Cookie 1, the image called Cookie 1 is already on the page. And I'd like to create a JavaScript rollover where when my mouse goes over that cookie, the image gets replaced. So you don't have to do this, but I think it's a smart idea to do the following, which is to actually assign an ID for that image down in the properties. So I'll call it the same, Cookie 1, and hit my Enter key. And now it actually has an ID. You'll see in a second why this is useful. With it still highlighted, I'm going to go up to my window and just pull down till I can see Behaviors and pop up that Behaviors panel. Now again, with it selected, we have a list of different behaviors that are automatically built that we can apply. It's pre-built JavaScript basically. So if we come up here, it's the one called Swap Image. You can see there are other options, but this highlights the current image and this is the name. Otherwise it would have been called Untitled 1. So Image Cookie 1. And what do we swap it with? The source that we will browse for right now. And that would be Cookie 2. Click Open. And you can see it acknowledged here. So when we roll over the Cookie 1 image, it will replace it with Cookie 2 image inside of the Images folder. Click OK. And save it. And let's test this in a browser. Okay, so let's just go preview in browser, Firefox, and let me just roll over this cookie, and lo and behold, it does respond with a mouse over. Now I could have applied a link. Oh, actually had a link. That's right, it already had a link. So there you can see we've got some JavaScript pre-applied with the Behaviors panel, and it also functions as a link. So a little bit more interactive. And that is the short story on how to create a JavaScript rollover using Dreamweaver.